It's a 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. The striking lines and muscular shoulders of this Range Rover Evoque are as dynamic as the drive itself. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, driver control suspension management, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, Bluetooth, leather bucket seats, front and rear parking sensors, and remote engine start smart device. The Car Connection notes Land Rover Range Rover Evoque breaks through with a more urban street smart style and tones down the off-road chops. You'll stand out in a Land Rover. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.